Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can draw by hand or manually in your documents on Google Docs really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. So as you can see, we're on that example document here on Google Docs. So let me find a free space, let's say on a completely new page here. So I would like to add a drawing, let's say to that blank page here. All you will need to do, guys, is simply click where you would like to place the drawing. So let me place the cursor here, left click. After that, select insert from that top menu here and choose drawing from that drop down menu. Hover your mouse over it and here to the right, select new. This is going to open up that window for you. So basically, guys, it is like drawing with a pencil or with your hand on a sheet of paper. Simply left click where you'd like to start drawing, like in Paint, for example. And after that, decide whether you'd like to draw by hand, like on Paint, for example, or use predefined lines and curves. To do that, click on that arrow down icon here and select your preferred graph or form, like for example, line and arrow. Or if you'd like to draw by hand, simply select Scribble from the drop-down menu, left click where you'd like to start your painting and simply start drawing by hand, just like that. Let's me, for example, draw a smiley, just like that. We got the mouth, then we got a pair of eyes here and the nose. So that's actually it. Alternatively, guys, as previously mentioned, you may switch, for example, to predefined lines or curves. Again, click on that arrow down icon here and select a line, let's say, for example, and now you will be able to draw, for example, straight lines, just like that. Left click, hold your left mouse and release your left mouse, just like that, to draw a line like that. You could do the same with, for example, curves, just like this, and so on and so forth. So once you're ready, guys, simply click on Save and Close here to add the given drawing to your document. Now in the last step, adjust its size and position, just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.